Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips. The top 10 winning tips lesson 3. The market demand. Top 10 winning tips lesson 3. The market demand. And the growth of each segment. I show you the detail now. So before you set decision, you check the report here. You also have the report, career report, and then you have 5 segments here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also from industry condition report. I show you 2 report now. So let's start with industry condition report first. We see the segment growth here for traditional low-end, high-end performance inside. I also say something about in video 1 and 2, lesson 1 and lesson 2. And traditional and low-end, you see the growth is smaller, but high-end performance size grow faster. But you remember that if you look at the career report here for traditional, you see that the market share here, right? Market share of the traditional very big, right? 32%. Even they grow only 10%, right? And low end very important because they get the market share nearly 40%. Even they grow to only 11 or 12%. And the other 3 segments they grow to much higher, but they have only 10%, right? For the high end, for the performance, you see that growth 20%, but only 8 or 9% of market share. So actually size 8 or 9% of market share and growth by 20%. They grow to 20%, but they have only 10%. So each round they can increase roughly 1.5 or 2%. When for the low end they increase 4%. 4% here, increase 4%. So traditional and low end are more important. Traditional and low end more important, right? So you need to understand that. Focus on traditional and low end. If you have any question, you can send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2, and then you can continue. And the right strategy, very important. You see on screen, invest in round 1, 2, and 3, and later round we get top sale and top profit, top sale, top stop price also. And you learn a lot when you make the right decision. And if you need further support, you can send the email to get the support for 8 rounds. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.